Hi everyone, I want to follow up on that video. I want to talk to you a little bit about supply chain, right? What's the visibility portion? Well, the second thing is, sure, we have a predictive model that's really great. Google Analytics, your e-commerce, even your social engagement can be mathematically used to run all the way back through your supply chain. But the second thing is, how do you actually improve and measure digitally what's going on at your supplier, vendor, and all of your warehousing efforts? There is a lot of software out there that does that, but let's talk about efficiency of data, right? So one of the key things is vendor portals. Now we've talked about that, but combine master data management all the way through that allows you to update ERP, that allows you to update e-commerce, that allows you to update your logistics systems, and actually know with particular capability to manage your barcodes, part numbers, sub-part numbers, assemblies, accuracy of delivery, blueprints, photos, all of that in one place. What's new about that is that usually IT has spent a lot of time consolidating systems into a hodgepodge to feed a database and then present that view to a variety of management. Now, business analytics really helps in visualizing that, but when it's actually in a single place, vendors feeding in their information, you adding your information, and all of that gets enriched, where you're pulling in that data, BI is easier, updates are easier, and finding and reporting is easier and real time.